In today's video, I'll show you how to zoom in and out on your screen in Windows 10 using simple beginner-friendly methods. If text feels too small, images look hard to see, or you just want a closer look at something on your screen, these tips will make things much easier. Let's start with the fastest and most commonly used method, keyboard shortcuts. On your keyboard, hold down the Control key. While holding it, press the plus key to zoom in or the minus key to zoom out. You'll see your screen content adjust instantly. This works in many apps like web browsers, documents, and even file folders. When you want to return everything to its normal size, just press Ctrl and 0 together. This method is great when you need quick adjustments without stopping what you're doing. Next, let's look at zooming with your mouse. If your mouse has a scroll wheel, this method feels very natural. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard, then scroll the mouse wheel up to zoom in or down to zoom out. This is especially useful when browsing websites or reading documents, because you can smoothly control the zoom level without moving your hands much. Many users prefer this because it feels fast and precise. Now let's talk about the Windows Magnifier tool. This is a built-in accessibility feature designed for more detailed or long-term zooming. To turn it on, press the Windows key and the plus key at the same time. Your screen will zoom in right away. You can keep pressing the plus key to zoom in more or the minus key to zoom out. The magnifier lets you move around the screen and focus on specific areas, which is helpful for detailed work or if you have trouble seeing smaller text. To turn it off, press the Windows key and Escape. To sum it up, you can zoom using keyboard shortcuts, the mouse scroll wheel, or the magnifier tool. Try each method and see which one feels most comfortable for your daily tasks. And that's how you zoom your screen on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.